Well, let's get to that trader rundown. Michelle Schneider is at the ready. She's Director of Trading Research and Education at Market Gauge. Michelle, the Nasdaq locking in another record already this week. What is going on with this hot market?
Well, interestingly enough, you have a lot of the younger traders through Robinhood that are buying tech up, and they're buying clean energy stocks up as well, which is why you're seeing explosions in some of the solar tech stocks and, of course, in just the clean energy sector in general, like PBW, which would be a good ETF to track. And that's continuing. People are talking about a bubble. But, you know, the famous quote of the market could stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent is kind of what's going on here. But that's just one tier of the market. A lot of the other parts of the market are struggling. And then with big earnings coming up, it'll be interesting to see how that all reconciles.
How would you play the bank earnings?
Well, you and I have actually talked about this over the last few weeks, how important the financial sector is to the whole picture, because you're going to have some banks that are going to be impacted by the loan delinquencies, while other banks like Morgan Stanley might benefit from the fact that we have seen fees decrease and trading increase, and they're investment banks. So I think we'll have a mixed bag with the banks. The ones that have more concerns about the delinquencies may not come up to snuff in terms of expectations, where others could exceed. So what I would basically do at this point is I would want to see a little bit of evidence in terms of a mixture of the bank earnings and wait kind of midweek to the end of the week. There's plenty of opportunity to get into the banks if they report better than expectations, because they've been so hammered. And at the same time, if they really disappoint and they start to turn down, then I believe that I would be looking to take profits in some of those high-flying stocks and try to step back and be more practical about where I'm going to put my money going forward. Because what that tells us is that the impact of COVID from the financial point of view has been stronger than what the Fed has been able to do to bolster the market.
Thank you, Michelle, and have a great trading day.
Thank you. You too.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.